So now we would see slip tool. The shortcut for this is Y. So if you see, basically the slip tool, what it does is it basically changes the in and out point of the clip without affecting the timeline. So we would see what if I drag this to my right. If I'm dragging this, if you see the first frame on the top right corner of the program monitor, the the timing is unaffected there. If you see the below frames on the left and the right, the timings are, the in and the out points are getting affected. So if you see, I don't want the frame on the left side, the red kind of thing, and this thing. So I want basically my video to start from this frame, the golden one on the left one. So if you see, my footage has been interpreted, and it has been starting from this point. So basically my endpoint has been changed. So if you have noticed, there was a short green kind of thing and all, if you have noticed, so that has been removed away as this video clip is being placed before this, and it is been playing. And the beginning of the frame, like the shot before this, is now been playing, the one in golden thing. And if you see the portion which it was, where there were some walls and there was some graffiti on the walls and the paintings and all, it has been omitted as we have interpreted our in and out points by dragging it. And if you see, our timeline has also been not affected. It stays to 24. Now what if I want some changes on this clip? What I do is I take this to the left, and my endpoint has again been affected with my timeline being the same. So basically what it does is it interprets the in and the out points of a clip by, if you want if you want any particular clip to be started from a particular timing or from a particular shot, so you can just scrub it and just shift it to your left or right, anywhere you want, and the video clip would play from there without the timeline getting affected. So now we would come to slide tool. What slide tool does is, slide tool basically moves a clip back and forth in the timeline by simultaneously adjusting other clips to compensate. So let's have a look. So my slide tool is being selected right now, and if you see the out point of this video, it ends here and this nail video comes in. So what if I drag this to the left, and no, I'm not able to do that. Yeah, so let us use this tool, and I'm taking this tool on my left. So what happened is, the frames on this video got overlapped through this nail, and this video footage has also been revealed, as earlier it was this. So basically it is not affecting our timeline, though it is affecting our clip. So if you see this, I have taken it to the top, to extreme left. Let me take to a bit more. Now let's have a look at the clip. So if you see, there was a shot, I'm talking of this shot. This shot is not there in our timeline anymore, as we have adjusted this clip through this slide tool, and we are revealing the most of this video footage, which is not again affecting our timeline, but it is affecting the adjusted clips placed on the in point and the out point and nearby the videos.